So just recently, I crossed over the six-figure mark with my YouTube channel. Now, most people, if they look at my YouTube channel, they'll say, well, it's pretty tiny. How are you actually making six figures from that small of a channel? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. The idea that you have to have 1 million subscribers or 100,000 subscribers to make any real money on YouTube is really just a lack of understanding all the different ways that a YouTube channel can drive money into your bank account. We're gonna talk about that in this video. I'm gonna hold nothing back. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you feel like you've got to make it massive before it can really start to pay off with you in terms of what you're earning from it, then stick around because I'm going to show you that nothing could be further from the truth. My name's Lane. Welcome to my channel. I like to help people start and grow online businesses. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about today's video. All right, so we are going to cover 5 major ways that your YouTube channel can make you money that can add up to 6 figures even with a small channel. The first one is probably one that you are familiar with, whether you're a YouTuber or not, and that is with ads. Once your channel has reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you get to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means that you can push a button and turn on ads so that ads show before your video plays or during your video. It's called mid-roll, or when your video ends. You get a little bit of money if those ads are viewed, and you get a lot more money if they're clicked on, and that ad revenue is part of your overall picture of what you make on YouTube. Now, the place where a lot of people get confused is they think that the ad revenue on YouTube is the whole story, and they get discouraged because they think, well, gosh, if I'm going to make any kind of significant money, then it just is going to mean 20 million views a month. It's going to mean 5 million subscribers, because how else am I going to make all this add up to enough? And the problem is that yes, ads can be kind of limited. It does depend on the niche, by the way. I'll get into that in a second. But ads are only one of 5 sources that I'm going to show you, and I'm barely scratching the surface. I'm just showing you how to do it with a small channel. But ads are a great thing to add to the equation. Once you're eligible for ads, you might as well throw them in there and start using ads in your videos. What I do is I just have one play before and I have one play after. I almost never do mid-roll because they annoy me, so I don't want to annoy my viewers. If I have really long video that's doing really well, I might throw a mid-roll in there, but it's only if the video is really, really long and it makes sense to do it. But it is up to you how you structure and organize the ads that are in your video, and ads make different money depending on the niche. Companies decide they want to advertise with YouTube, so they'll bid a certain amount for certain keywords. So the ad that you skipped to watch this video was probably somebody trying to talk to you about online business, passive income, maybe growing on YouTube, and it's because that's the keywords of this video. Those advertisers probably bid a lot higher for those keywords then other advertisers might bid for more generalized keywords that they can't make as much money on. And that's just kind of the way it goes. So you can make a lot of money with a small amount of ads, but it's still not the whole picture. The way I view my ads is that they're a nice addition to the whole pie. Right now, my ads are making me about $600 to $700 a month, and I'm happy with that. I think it's a nice little boost to get that. It's part of the bigger pie, and I'm all for it, even though it does not yet add up to 6 figures. Moving on to number 2, and this is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start making money with your YouTube channel, and that is with affiliate marketing. Now, all affiliate marketing is where you talk about or mention a product or a service, and you provide a direct link to purchase that product. And when somebody goes and purchases that product or signs up for that service, you get some kind of affiliate or referral commission. So the easiest program to get started with right away is Amazon Associates. This is what I did right off the bat when I started making content because I figured I'm going to talk about something that's on Amazon and I might as well get affiliate revenue for that. So the way Amazon works is you get about 3%. It does vary depending on the category, but I have found that it averages out to about 3%. I have a video on this channel that you can go check out. It is called the Shure SM7B Complete Setup Guide. Everything you need to use this mic for podcasting. Well, in that video, the mic that I'm reviewing is the Shure SM7B. It's a $400 mic. Every time somebody watches that video and goes down to the description and clicks on that link and purchases that mic, I make $12, about 3%. Well, that has happened over and over and over and over again now. Not to mention the arm that's involved, like the little mic arm that the mic goes on, the cords, the audio interface, the cloud lifter, which is like the mic activator. You can watch the video if you want to see all this, but all I'm doing in that video is I'm giving a review because this channel is about online business. One of the things that a lot of people do in online business is podcasting. So I wanted to review a mic that's great for podcasting. So rather than just saying, hey, here's the mic I use, here's how to put it together, here's all the things it does, go buy it, I say, here's the mic I use, here's all the things it does, here's how to put it together, and if you want a quick and convenient way to access this, I've got all the Amazon links down below. They click on those links, they purchase the mic, they purchase the stuff, and I get a commission. You can do this in any niche, you can do this with any topic, books, any of the stuff sold on Amazon. It's super, super easy. And even though the commissions are really low, it actually becomes a volume game. The more views a video gets, the more clicks it's gonna get, the more purchases are gonna come through, and you can begin to make this happen. I know people who have review channels where what they do is review products full time, and that adds up to be 6 figures or more. I've experimented with this a little bit myself. I've had some success, but just from what I've done primarily on this channel with just a few product reviews, it has been as much as $3,600, and it's averaged more than $2,000 for the last 7, 8, or 9 months. It's a pretty amazing little piece of the puzzle. Remember, we're trying to get to 6 figures, which is $8,333 a month. And so far we have 2 sources, ad revenue and Amazon Associates. Now, the other type of affiliate marketing is something that is related specifically to your niche. So what do you talk about? Is there a software that people use in your niche? Is there a service that they use? Is there a certain product from a certain place that you recommend all the time, that you stand by? That would be the thing that I would really double down and become an affiliate for. For me, that is Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one online business platform. It's perfect for my content because I talk about online business all the time. Kajabi is the one tool that makes all of this possible, and they have an amazing affiliate program. So it's a win-win. And that affiliate program is making me $6,000 or $7,000 a month right now, and that's recurring and it's lifetime. So it only continues to grow the more I promote it and the more people sign up using my link. And believe me, Kajabi is just one of many different types of affiliate programs that are like that, where it's something that's related to your niche, it's something that is ongoing, and it's something that you can easily promote as a part of your content. The quicker you can find something like that you actually love, that you stand by, that you use, and you can make it a part of your content, the better. Now, if you're wondering what this is for you, just think about in your niche, what do you use? Let's say that you talk about gardening. Is there a particular type of lawn service that you recommend that maybe has a national brand? I guarantee you they probably have an affiliate program. Let's say you're in fitness and you don't necessarily want to start your own fitness program. Can you affiliate with an app like Noom or something like Beachbody On Demand? Is there something like that that might have an affiliate program that you are the one, you're the voice, you have the YouTube channel, and even if it's small, if you get enough people to watch these videos and you talk about it with confidence, with passion, and you're helping people understand that this product or service or program is the solution to the problem that they came to your YouTube channel looking to solve, then you can just put those 2 pieces together and you can make an amazing amount of income from it. And if you put all that together, so far we have ads from YouTube, which is nice. We have Amazon Associates, which can grow pretty large, but it can be a steady piece of income. And then we have at least one affiliate product that is directly related to our niche and is ongoing. Now we have 3 categories left, and all of these are related to teaching what you know. Teaching something that is directly related to your experience, your passion, your knowledge, something that you understand. So for me, I do this over at Preaching Donkey. I was a pastor for 15 years. And at one point, about 7 or 8 years into my ministry, I started a little website called Preaching Donkey. And it has turned into way more than that, a YouTube channel, podcast, all those kind of things. But what I do there is I have courses and I have a membership site all about how to preach more effectively, how to improve your communication, how to deliver sermons more effectively, how to prepare sermons more effectively. And that all touches on what I'm about to talk about here. The third way to make 6 figures with a small YouTube channel is with online courses. This is where maybe on your channel you teach about a certain topic. Like for me over at Preaching Donkey, I'm talking to pastors about communication. Well, I made 2 different courses, one big course, a flagship, and one smaller course, a mini course. And these 2 courses do different things, but they are specific end-to-end complete systems to help pastors solve one problem, solve it really well, and get to the next level in their speaking. Well, if you can do that in some way with your niche, so going back to our examples, let's say you talk about gardening, maybe you make a course on how to garden, right? Or some specific thing about gardening. Or you're a fitness coach and you make a course about how to lose 21 pounds in 21 days or whatever would be the way to do that. A course is a really great way to make money with a small channel. You build the course once, you've got the people in your YouTube channel that you can promote the course to, and it becomes something that will always be able to make you money even though you only had to build it one time. The fourth thing is related to this, and that's a membership site. So it's like a course, but it's something that people pay for every month. It's a subscription service. So maybe inside of that membership site, you have a new lesson or a masterclass every month. Maybe you do a live Q&A with your community every month. You have a feature where people can talk to each other, like a Facebook type group. But again, all of this is in my favorite tool, which is Kajabi. I'll talk about that in a second. But between online courses and membership sites, now you're taking what you're talking to people on YouTube and you're setting up more premium content, more in-depth content that people can pay to access. So far, we've got ads, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got online courses and membership sites. There's one more left. And this is not only the easiest thing to get started with, but it's the thing you can charge the absolute most for, and that is direct access to you. I'm talking about coaching or consulting. Either one-on-one sessions where people can pay for an hour with you or 45 minutes with you, or maybe even you put together packages where they can have 3 or 4 or 10 sessions with you in a one-on-one setting. Or group coaching, where maybe you open up a program to a group of people and they all pay to get time with you together. This is an amazing thing to do if you have a small YouTube channel, but you have a loyal following who want to go deeper with you and want to learn more from you directly. You can charge a lot for that. So between all 5 of these, my YouTube channel is making not only 6 figures, it's actually well surpassed that in terms of what it's making per month. 6 figures is 8,300. I'm on pace to make 15,000 this month. I made 11,000 last month, 11,000 the month before that. And it's been averaging 11,000 for the last 6 months every single month. It's already surpassed 6 figures in the last 12 months, but pretty soon it will likely be on to multiple 6 figures. So it's really only the beginning, and it is a very small YouTube channel, and even Preaching Donkey is also very small. There's less than 10,000 subscribers there, and there's 5,700 subscribers on this channel. And it's adding up to quite an awesome income for me that only continues to grow. If you're looking at online courses, membership sites, one-on-one coaching, and you're going, how in the world do I organize all that and put it all together? The answer is Kajabi. I have a whole playlist right here that I want to show you. If you're interested in doing courses, anything like that, then click right here and take a look at my lessons on Kajabi and how it can help you make all this stuff come together. And to make sense of all this so that you can begin your journey of not only making six figures with your YouTube channel, but actually starting an entire online business around what you know, your passion, your skills, your knowledge, go to lanesebring.com/supersimple. You can pick up my free, super simple guide to your first $500 online. I'll walk you through exactly step-by-step how to create an online business around your knowledge and passion and the first steps that you need to make that happen. Again, lanesebring.com/supersimple. All right, so at this point, it's over to you. Which of these 5 things is most exciting to you? Which are you gonna get started on right away? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And again, the best thing you can do if you're interested in any of this, but especially the online courses, membership sites, and coaching, click right here on this playlist and I'll see you in there and we'll talk more about all of that.